Ka syatnyam bedeng klam ke baju long shisin shisnem jo ka senyerat jowai benta ka sngi muchai. Klapoino sya ka bakut hapdeng ke jing ipu iping belai shi benta ki kun ka senyerat jowai harengkat ka syat ka kemen bat ka put ka tem. Ia kene ka syatnyam bedeng klam ke baki kot ka sau sngi laimit. Kalau sedang nadu ka hendru tarik berpenkut menta ka sngi muchai ka khandai tarik unaitung arajar apolai ha ka bala pendep ya ke jing le nyam nadu ka ngu ka dem ka suit ka shor ka jing pendep ya ka siang ka pha ka jing le jara ya ka sembut khnong ka khnong belai ki deng klam ka bang tengkong bat ki wede ki kamnyam kamrukom bala pendep do udaloi ka ilaka jawai ulangdo upator bat ki wahe wasan. Barok kirot ki belawan penpoi menta ka sngi kut hapo ka sim aidnar kila dan hadu khalai teli ya ki bala shna kerpang da ki dong baper hapo ka rajawai kumju na ka sen umulong bat ka sen khasi sen kemi. Kini kirot kil ai ka kubor banyadai ka mei mariang banlait na ki jing jabo ka jingop ha ka jing penankam palat ka mobile phone ki jing di ibas new ka jing pang HIV AIDS bat ki wede ki kubor jing senang jing kentu ya ka imlang ka salang. Hakane ka sngi penkut ya ka bedeng klam lawan bansa kilang da ulat ka jela upagu chawan u Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court u Sanjeev Banerjee u Menteri Katanat Revenue and Disaster Management Department u Bakarman Shella u ba adal bat norum MLA ki bal airu ka jingkran hakane ka sngi badai kublai bedeng klam ki wede ki balai dan lang kilong u Deputy Commissioner ka West Gentia Hills u ba BS Olia u SP ba C30 ki officer sarkar nalor ka jingdan lang u Presiden ka Senrait u ba OR Chalam General Secretary ba E Sumer nalor ki wede. Nakliang kinoelam ka Senrait jawai kelapan pau ka jis ngungu ya baro ki badan bentah ka negalen nyam nadu ka basdang jongka tak dadu bakut jongka nega sngi. Ha ka balala ban pendep iki nyam ki dustur jong ulong shua man shua. Ha ka negalen nyam lai trelang berka North Eastern Council nega NEC Shillong ka tanah tourism ka planning bat ka arts and culture ka sarkar jela. Aba pai syakalen nyam bakhadu jongka nega beding klam ta usnam nadu ka por menstep keladan ka bam tengkong haying langdo ka kenting knong kalung perdi haying langdo ka sempat ying karbah ka por no pai sngi ka badai ka benta ba kongsan jongkalen nyam lapan hiar ka deng klam ka sembut knong ka knong blai bat kirong kirup ki badan khalai teli lapan poi hapung ka sim aidnar da ka jingsa kilang jongki hajar ngut kinongwan pekai ki badai na keleng ka rikasi ba jaintia karbah ka por janmit ladon hadat telawakor hapdeng ulangdo baru sangot pasuet ha ka jingale ka kanhun ulangdo kalalong kanong job ka bamut ba ukba ukhau un khambha ka thaim penthorwa menta ka snam nagliang Presiden ka Senrait uba OR Chalam ulai kublai kerpang ya boro ki baladan bentalang hakane kale nyam bedeng klam menta ka snem arjar apolai ukarmen skam ka jing pendep ya kale nyam bedeng klam kade ka we ne ki benta ban be e ka pang ka shitom ka bam sap bampong kan yadai ki kun samla na ka jing di pen bu ai kum udrop ka kiat ban yada na ka jing sha thombor ki kantei khanna bat ban wan ra sendon ni ka bha kamiat karoi ka par ka ying ka sem ka shnong ka thau bat kari hi bro ka we lengba ka jingkar ku kerda utre kirat ak ju ka por ukentu ba om dai bandan ka no ka jing snu pher ha nyam ma karukom bat kum ki para breu de ban buram markaliang da ka ba ai ku bleiru e kitanat sarkar ki bala penyai baik penyerenti e kene ka beding klam menta usnam
And next we have to hand over the mementos to our Chief Justice, Mandi Tuwasangwasa Hakamai Raj. Sedia uyo wa upatar usangat wa si khamraj kependaki ya ketua tembal hayung yang rengat wa. So ke kukung kedah yo be ni mesti beroi nepok ke jong nepok ke sen. On their way, dancing and holding their God's place. Niyong langgo, niyong itay. Lawan, dia na pinagkisyon na siya di Duwidlay, tulachwang na po Mayra. Dengan dia nikah, gawalay, langgo, wag ilusan bunga, ibigam ito Mayra. Lagi, di Bandai, Ura, ia berkelang yang kapan, sampai di Dorna, yang meskin. Dan kawan menuju contoh menuju sesuatu, ya di Bandai, yang nak betul-betul berani semua. Ya ketinggalan yang keren, kain keren yang miskin. The Illinois, the number, bring the easy number, the number, from the young number of
drive away plague, and nowadays we club it, drive away plague and all the evil in the society. That is like atrocities of women, corruption, drugs, ganja, alcohol, and this is also we club it as a disease. Any person have it, then we think it's a patient. So according to our prayer, according to our prayer and the ritual, in every sequence of our ritual, we pray to God that the humanity will save from all this kind of plague. That's why we perform this medical festival, because this is the promise that triggered before he part from New Trip, from us. He asked to prepare a medical festival once a year. That is on Pensing, Mulong, Musiang, Muchai. But this year, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the promise. Each and every household have to perform according to fulfill the wish of Uttarakhand and our ancestors.
What is a Trikrat?
Trikrat is our Supreme Court. We believe it's the Supreme Court. As the other people who believe in the other faith also, they believe that God is there. But our Supreme Court is Utrecht. The message of this year's Birthday Club is love your own faith, respect others. Why I say this? Why I say this one? Because I just saw yesterday in one clip, one young boy from Shalom, Kasi, he destroyed our belief. Then he condemned our belief for the Day Club. He don't know that Day Club stand for unity of the Dormation and also stand for the strength of Dormation. Because before we take it from the sacred grove with the prayer. Yes, from the month of March till the seven morning calls every night to protect and to save us from everything. But not only for us, for the entire humanity. From this small town, with our prayer and this one, God will listen to us and save everybody, all kinds of disease, and people will happy in their life.